Meringue cookies are lighter than air, bite-sized delights that melt in your mouth. They can take a simple cake tier to wow. Welcome back to the Princess Baker. I'm Lauren, and today I'm showing you how only 3 ingredients can combine to make these lovely meringue cookies. So subscribe now and come bake with me. First, we need room temperature eggs. If your eggs are fresh from the fridge cold, place them in a warm water bath to bring them to room temperature. Now we separate. I'm showing you 3 different ways to avoid egg separation anxiety. This is the shell toss, also known as shell rock or switch. You toss the yolk from side to side while letting the whites drip down. I call this one the gadget assist. There's no shortage of little tools and gadgets that can help assist in catching the yolk. I got this one on Amazon, and it actually works. I'll leave a link where you can get it below. I call this one bottle force. You take an empty plastic bottle and use the suction to pull the yolk into the bottle. I had heard about it for years, and boy was I stunned when it worked. I'll show you again. Take the egg and dump the yolk and whites into a bowl. Then take your bottle and suck up that yolk. It's crazy, but it actually works. If you hate touching eggs, this is the method for you. No touching eggs ever again. Measure your egg whites and then your sugar, because with meringue, math counts. Now we whip up those egg whites. If you live in an area with high humidity, your egg whites can absorb the moisture that's in the air. A touch of cream of tartar will help stabilize your egg whites and make them whip up properly. You should add it when the egg whites have become frothy or foamy, just like that. Perfect. Continue whipping. When the eggs start to look creamy, it's time to start adding the sugar. Add the sugar slowly, letting each addition combine completely before adding more. When in doubt, go slower instead of faster. Adding too fast will lead to a gritty meringue, and you'll taste the texture of sugar crystals. As the sugar dissolves into the whipped whites, the mixture will puff up in size. Using a hand mixer, you can feel the whites begin to change. Continue adding the rest of the sugar until completely dissolved. Then add extract and coloring if doing the whole batch. Whip on high until stiff peaks have been reached. You'll see them both on the paddles and in the bowl. These are what stiff peaks look like. Scoop into a piping bag fitted with a tip and begin to pipe out kiss-shaped cookies. It's that easy. If you're new to my channel, hi there and welcome. Each week I share recipes and fun decorating tips. So like, share, and subscribe to see what we make together next. Make solid colored cookies by separating the meringue into different bowls and adding a drop of gel color to each. Mix carefully so you do not deflate the air you whipped into the egg whites. Transfer to piping bags and pipe those cookies. Use different shaped tips to create different shaped cookies. There is no right or wrong way for creating meringues. Want to jazz the color up further? Stripe the piping bag. Turn your piping bag inside out and using paintbrushes or even skewers, line the inside of the bag with gel colors. Choose one color or use many. It's up to you. Then carefully turn the piping bag right side out and fill it with your meringue. The gel colors will dye the meringue as it's pushed through the bag. Add 2 colors to the same bag and make swirls. Get really creative and make shapes, like roses with little leaves. Cook low and slow, times and temps in the link. Now you have a meringue garden with different colors, shapes, and styles perfect to eat or top your cupcakes and cakes with. I hope you enjoyed making meringue cookies with me. Make sure to like and subscribe for your next adventure with the Princess Baker.